love. So I wrote you this song. I'm just hoping that someday you might sing along. Well, I'm sorry I'm not there, but you're with me in my heart. And I'm sorry for all the years, all that we've been apart. You see, I've not always done the things that good people do, and the things that I have done took me away from you. So I sit here hoping someday the walls will come crashing down, and I'll be free to wander till the love we had is found. Maybe I can bring it back and hold it out in my hand. Let you see that it's still there. Oh, maybe then you'll understand that your love is all that matters. It's the only thing that keeps me here. And if it ever goes away, I'll flood the world with my tears. Yeah, I'll flood the world with my tears. 'Cause our love, oh, it's stronger than anything. We're connected in spite of everything, and it's never gonna go away. Oh, you saved me with the kind of love you gave to me, and I never dreamed that it could be, oh, what it is today. Yeah, you saved me with the kind of love you gave to me, and I never dreamed that it could be what it is today. And maybe I can bring it back to you, hold it out in my hand, let you see that it's still there. Maybe then you'll understand that your love is all that matters. It's the only thing that keeps me here. And if it ever goes away, I'll flood the world with my